Jeez. What's going on, huh? Who's this guy? My brother? I don't have a brother.
Tom Cruise and Dustin Hoffman in his greatest transformation to date.
You're using me! You're using Raymond! You use everybody!
I'm using Raymond. Raymond, am I using you? Shut up! He is answering a question from over a half hour ago!
You're an excellent driver. What, Ray, you know how to drive? Raymond, you never touch the wheel when I'm driving. Do you understand? What do you mean you don't have your underwear on?
Okay, Ray, I want you to look at the cards. Just tell me what's left. Okay, Ray? What we got?
You are beautiful, man. Let's go.
Now hear the word of them all. Them bones, them dry bones, them bones, them.
I really like having you as my brother, Ray.
Bones, them dry bones. Now hear the word of them all.